Hello, dear tutor. I'm Jennifer again. At this time, I'm going to present to you my task number 2 from Unit 4. This is about how to track the main idea and key details from a speech. So let's begin. What are the factors that really matter in life? I recently came across a Steve Jobs commencement address to Stanford University graduates. The year was 2005, and he had been diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, but surgery would help him live until his death in 2011. He had three important things to tell those assembled. First, you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. I will try to answer it in a simple way as per my understanding. The idea behind the concept is that as much as we try to plan our lives ahead in advance, there's always something that completely unpredictable about life. Second, if you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Don't settle, that is one of the big takeaways from this quote. Keep looking until you find what you are looking for. You will know it when you do, and when you do, it will continue to get better and better. After hearing that, I thought to myself, you know that? He's right. Why should I settle for something less than what I love? I have passion. I have things I would love to be doing, so why am I not doing them? There is only one answer to that last question, and it is fear. I'm afraid. I'm afraid to do what I love because what if I fail? What if I struggle and find that I'm miserable? And it's one thing to be unhappy doing a job that you don't love, but it's quite another thing to be living out your dream and failing at it. And the last one is about your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Each one of us is different, goes through different circumstances. And do your friends undergo same situation as you? No, because you live your life, they don't. Can they feel pain when you are hurt? No. Whatever you feel, sense your emotions, your luck, your sensitivity, your imagination, your expression, your wish, your failure, when it's only you who owns it. So, in short, start living and start creating yourself better each day. So, this was all for today. See you in a next and final task. Thank you and bye bye.